Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2017 C300 4MATIC. This one's black. Underneath it's a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo pushing out 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one does come with front and rear LED daytime running lights, 17-inch 5-spoke alloys. The tires are in good condition. Black MB Tex interior, panorama sunroof. Come around back, C300 4MATIC badging. Set all season and regular floor mats, fold down rear seats. Come alongside, this one does come with the Premium 2 package, this one, which gives you blind spot assist, dark linden wood trim Burmeister sound system, heated seats, memory seats, power windows, heated steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, rear view backup camera, dual climate controls, hard keys for a media display, cup holders, turn wheel for infotainment center, dynamic selects for different driving patterns. The C-Class has 41,938 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of the C300 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.